Hi guys, welcome to Freedom Tech Solutions. In this video, we're talking about how you can enable and disable dark mode on Windows 10. If you can see my screen presently, I'm on Windows 10 operating system. So I will show you two ways on how you can enable and disable dark mode presently, or you can even customize your Windows screen to use both dark mode and light mode. So let's jump right into the video. So first things, you go to your desktop, you right click on your Windows 10 desktop page, you right click. If you don't know how to go to desktop, you can just click on taskbar and you see show desktop, it comes to your desktop. So on desktop, you right click on personalize. When you click on the personalize icon, you see this page display. So you click on color, then you see light. Basically, I'm using a light background. So when I click on the drop down menu and click on dark, just give it 5 seconds, you see changes to dark. So that's one way you can change enable dark mode. You can also disable it by just clicking light and it changes to light. Just give it 5 seconds, it changes to light. So you can customize the color you want, different colors. You can change use this color if you want, use hash, use red, or use pink. So depending on the one you like, you understand. You can double click it to select the color for you, and you see your color. You see the color has changed to this particular color I selected. So I'll just select my blue back. I'll double click and to select it and select the color. So that's one way you could do that. And the second way is go back to desktop, click on the Windows button. You see the settings icon, click on settings. See the drop down menu comes up. You can click on personalization. Click on personalization. Takes you to the right into that particular menu for to change your color, your background. So you can click on the color, click on dark mode, give it 5 seconds, it changes to dark mode. So you see everything is now in dark mode. If it goes to this thing, if I minimize this, everything is dark. It stays on dark mode presently. If I go back to desktop, if I go back to desktop, you see it's on dark mode already. So I can easily go back and change it to or customize it custom, make it light, choose default window mode to light, or you choose the app mode to light. You can see if I choose to light, you see the app becomes light too. So you can make the default window mode to dark, customize it. Default window mode becomes dark. You understand? But the app becomes light. So depending on how you feel like customizing it, it's best for you. You understand? I'll do other videos as to I'll change the background. The phones are the same. Thanks you for watching and have a great day.